Hello, dear students of class 4, and welcome to yet another online class of science. Dear students, today we will be continuing with our fourth lesson, plants in surroundings and environment. Now, dear children, last time when we started this lesson, we learnt that plant has two main parts. The part which grows under the ground, that's root, and the plant part which grows above the ground, that shoot, right? Now in previous video we learnt about the root, so today we will be learning about shoot. Especially in shoot we will be learning about stem and leaves. Stem and leaves. Now as most of you know, stem is the central part of any plant or tree, right? Stem is the main part which grows above the ground, and from this only the branches, leaves, fruits, everything grow up. So this is the, you can say in one way, it is a central support system of the plant, stem. Okay, now stem is mostly woody, right? It can be large and hard, like in case of banyan, peepal, big trees. In that case, the stem is known as trunk. Remember, large, hard and woody stem is known as trunk. Whereas in case of creepers and climbers, you see stem is so weak, it cannot help the plant stand straight. So they need support to climb up and grow. So dear children, stem has mostly 3 to 4 functions. We will discuss them one by one. The very first function is provides support. Provides support. This main central part of the plant provides support to the whole plant and helps it stand straight. Then transports material from root to leaves. Okay, now whatever water, mineral salt is absorbed by root, it is supplied or it is sent to leaf from the stem. In the same way, it transports food from leaf to other parts, leaves to other parts. Okay, as the materials are supplied from root to leaves, in the same way the prepared food in the leaf is supplied from there to all parts of the plant through stem only. Okay, and the last one, used as food. You see, there are some plants like sugarcane, potato, onion. Okay, in their case, their food is stored in the stem itself, and we use that stem as food. So you can say in one way, stem is edible. Stem is edible. Now, children, coming to leaves. Now, leaves are the most important part of the plant. Why they are the most important part of the plant? Because they prepare food for the plant. Remember, leaves prepare food for the plant. That's why leaves are also known as food factory of the plant. Leaves are also known as food factory of the plant. Now I will give you a general drawing of a leaf, of a standard leaf. Okay, now let's suppose this is a branch. Okay, now children, we know that leaves are mostly green in color, right? Now they are green in color not because just like this. They are green in color because they have a substance present in them known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is what gives the leaves their green color, and also the same chlorophyll helps to trap sunlight for the food preparation. In your previous video, if you remember, I told you that plants need air, water and sunlight, right, to prepare their food, and that sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll, the same chlorophyll which gives leaves their green color. Now coming back to the parts, I talked about color because see, I cannot show green color here, so I explained it to you beforehand. Now coming back to part, first of all we have leaf stalk, the small branch which connects the leaf to the main branch. Understood? The small branch which connects the leaf to the main branch. Then you have leaf blade. Leaf blade, the outer edge of the leaf. Then you will see in the middle there is a thick branch going. There is a thick branch going. This thick branch is known as midrib. This thick branch is known as midrib, and the small ones which have come out here, they are known as vein. V-E-I-N, vein. Okay. Now these in particular are parts of the plant. Apart from this, the leaf has very tiny microscopic pores. Okay, microscopic pores, holes in them. These holes help in the gaseous exchange. You see, I told you before that then apart from sunlight they need air also, especially carbon dioxide, to prepare their food. Remember, leaves prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide. Now to get that carbon dioxide they need to have a certain part, and that part are small microscopic pores, holes in them. These particular holes are known as stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. Remember, with the help of stomata only the leaves are able to do gaseous exchange. You can say what function is there for the lungs in our body, same function is undertaken by stomata in leaves. Now regarding function, I have already told you the main function of leaf is to prepare food for the plant. Apart from that, there are a few more functions which we will be reading. So these are the two parts. Now we will go on and see. Okay, we'll start with stem. Let's see what your book says. The stem is the main part of the shoot on which branches, leaves, flowers and fruits grow. Trees such as banyan and mango have thick, woody and strong stem called trunks. I already told you this. Grapevine and bean plants have weak stems that need support of other plants, walls or sticks. Coming to the functions. The main functions of the stem are: first, the stem carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves for making food. Transport material from root to leaves. Next, it transports food from leaves to other parts of the plants. Third, strong stems provide support to the plant to stand upright. Its main function actually is to provide support. And fourth one, stems of some plants are swollen, thick, as they store food. Plants such as sugarcane, potato, onion and ginger store food in their stems. These stems are eaten as food. They are edible. They are edible. Now coming to leaves. Leaves are an important part of plant as they manufacture food for the plant. Leaves appear green due to presence of green substance called chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. Don't forget this. Most of the leaves, almost all the leaves, okay, that prepare food for the plant appear green in color, and that is due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll, which helps them absorb sunlight. I told you this, that apart from giving green color to the leaf, the same chlorophyll helps to absorb or trap sunlight, which is later used for preparing food. Now, coming to their parts, leaf blades. The flat part of the leaf is known as leaf blade or lamina. Don't be confused. Leaf blade is also known as lamina. Okay, leaf blade is also known as lamina. That means leaf blade and lamina are the same. Leaf blade and lamina mean the same. Don't be confused. Some leaves have broad leaf blade, others have narrow ones. You see, leaves are of different type. Like if you see banana leaves, they have broad leaf blade, they have broad lamina. Whereas if you see what do you call tea leaf, it has narrow leaf blade. The leaf blade of banana leaf is broader than the leaf blade of mango leaf. Then comes midrib. Midrib, this thick branch-like structure in the middle of the leaf. Okay. A tube-like structure, vein, that runs down the center of a leaf is called midvein or midrib. It is main vein of the leaf. Many side veins arise from midrib. Both midrib and side veins help in transportation of water, minerals and prepared food through them. You can say this midrib and this side veins, okay, midrib and side veins, they are like pipe system. They are like pipe system. They help in the flow of water, mineral salts, even prepared food also. Then comes leaf stalk. The part that attaches the leaf to the branch or stem is called leaf stalk. It is also called petiole. Now, this part, like I told you earlier, which attaches the leaf to the plant, okay, it is called leaf stalk. This leaf stalk has another name also. It is called petiole. It is also known as petiole. So here two things you should not be confused with. Leaf blade and lamina mean the same. Also, leaf stalk and petiole means the same. Coming to stomata. The undersurface of a leaf, which when seen through a hand lens, shows several tiny pores all over the surface. Pores means holes. You can even see them through hand lens. These holes are called stomata, singular stoma. Stomata means plural, okay? Stomata is plural. Singular of stomata is stoma. Stomata help the plant to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. You see, while preparing the food, when the process is going on, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and once the preparation is complete, plants give out oxygen. Plants give out oxygen, which we use, right? This also makes plant a very, very valuable organism for our own survival, right? So this process of exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place only through stomata, okay, only through stomata. Now there is a part, variation in leaves. This part you can understand very well because no two leaves you will find are of same type. Different type of plants have different type of leaf. They can have minimum differences, they can have maximum differences, they can be totally different from each other, but there will be difference. Different plants have different kinds of leaf. They differ in shapes and size. Mostly leaves are green, but their shades may vary. You see, they are green, but some leaves they are light green, whereas some leaves they are dark green. Some plants like croton and maple have different colors like yellow or red with little patches of green. Now coming to functions. Leaf generally performs the following functions. First of all, it prepares food using water, mineral, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. Leaf is also called kitchen of the plant, food factory, or you can say kitchen of the plant, as it is a place where the food for the plant is prepared. And the process that undergoes is known as photosynthesis. 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 Photosynthesis is the process by which leaves prepare their food with the help of water, minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and chlorophyll. In some plant, it stores extra food. Then third one, leaf has stomata that helps a plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. So you can understand, without stomata, we wouldn't be getting oxygen from the plants. So today only this much, dear children. We will continue photosynthesis later. Now what you need to do is, I'll be giving you the pic. With the help of that pic, you will be doing your drawing homework in your science copy. Thank you very much. Stay safe.